Hey Paul, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and we work with pool builders. And I found you guys listed on Home Advisor when researching pool builders in your area. And I thought maybe you would be interested in this quick little video I'm about to show you on some things that you can do today to increase your visibility and get more of those leads without having to rely on services like Home Advisor. Um, so as you can see, we're on your website. You have some nice pictures. Looks like you do some gorgeous work. But your website is lacking content. You see, Google does not rank a website based on appearance. Um, they need content. Content is king, and you need to have a lot of content, more content than your competitors. And the rule of thumb is you should have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone, um, going after those buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords that your customers are going to be actively searching for to get their dream pool built. They may not know the name of their company, but they know that the service that they need, and that those are the type of the type of searches and keywords that they're going to use, and so that's what your content needs to be built around, is those keywords. And so that breaks down to 150 words for every keyword that you're going to try and target. If you build a variety of different style of pools, then you need to have different pages for those different type of pools. If you do water features, if you do outdoor living, all of those things, they need their own separate pages so that you can rank for those individual keywords on each of those pages and help the customers find you. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages looking for keywords in your content so they can index you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. So that's a really critical, important factor. And then if you service multiple different areas outside of San Antonio, you really should have separate pages for each of those service areas that have any search volume for your services. That way you can be sure to be found in each of the service areas you service. This is one of your top competitors, Keith Czar's Pools. He is a tough competitor, but still beatable. This is his website, and he has different pages for every type of service that they offer, as well as their service areas. Let's see. They have a lot more content than you guys do, and they are going for more of those buyer intent keywords. Okay. Their homepage still does not have enough content. In order to beat these guys, one of the main things you're going to have to do is you're going to have additional pages, and you're going to have to build out your content around those keywords, because you need more content than your top competitor in all of your service areas. In addition, here we are at Ahrefs. This is a program that analyzes how your website is performing, and you have a rating of a 0 out of 100, which means that Google does not have any trust in your website, and that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You just don't have any. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need high quality, authoritative backlinks that are do follows and relate to your business and industry. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, you've only got 8 keywords that are being indexed, and so you're receiving zero traffic to your website. Your website really drives 70% of those organic leads. So it is really, really important that you optimize that website and then add some SEO backlinks so that you can rank your website. Um, oh, just a minute. Sorry about that. Okay, so Keith Zars, they have a domain rating of a 25. That's the rating for their entire website as a whole, which is pretty good. And that's because they have over 2,750 different backlinks going on. So, in order to beat these guys, in addition to content, you need more backlinks. And you also need higher quality backlinks. Because they have a lot more pages, they're being indexed for over 2,000 keywords, and they're generating over 3,000 people to their website every month. So this just goes to show you the amount of traffic that you're really missing out on. So you really need to optimize that website and start building out your backlinks. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your business, the more power it's going to give you and the higher it's going to boost you. And when they do follow backlinks like this, they actually share the power and help boost you faster on Google. And then the other important factor is to remember that these backlinks are closely tied to your keywords. So you do need to make sure that you're putting backlinks to the keywords on all of your service pages and service area pages so that you can rank for them and Google can help your customers find you. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. You should have one of these pages and make sure that it's fully optimized so that you can be in the top 3, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not in this top 3, you're giving your competitors all of your leads and leaving all the money on the table. So in order to get in the top 3, there's several factors. Um, a lot of it has to do with how your website performs. But the most important part is something called citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Dex, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can become number 1 across Google for all of your service areas and your keywords. So you're probably wondering, well, what do you do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and leave me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, we are SEO experts, and so if you do want help getting some of this stuff done and start seeing real results, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.